Did you know that you can earn free listings on Etsy? Etsy has created a referral program where each user can get 40 listings that are free. A listing on Etsy will cost 20 cents US dollars for each item that you list on sale. So this means that the total saving for using this program is $8 per person that you refer. The referral program is that both the person who uses the code and the person that refers you to Etsy will get each 40 free listings. So it is a win-win situation, and I would recommend to use this instead of simply opening an Etsy shop. What is good about this program is that free listings, they do not expire. So here is the article. You can use them as long as your account has been not closed, so it is open, and you can continue to use them until you use all of your free listings. If you do not have this link and do not have an Etsy shop, I would recommend to go to Etsy and then simply search 40 free listings, or go to any social media, Facebook, Instagram, and so on, and search for this information, the referral program, and you will see that people will happily share their referral link with you. Now, if you already have a shop, then you can share this link on forums, social media, and so on, and then hopefully new people will see that link. So the question is, where do you find this? So here I will put a link to this website, but it is etsy.com/invites/sell, and you will be able to see this page. You can also send a direct email to people you know that want to open their shop on Etsy. And what will happen is that when you use the link, you will see that when you want to add a listing, there will be free and then the number of free listings that you will have. So for example, I have at the moment free 853 listings, which would equal to around $170 in savings in fees. So I hope that this quick tutorial has been helpful. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and have a great day.